Well, you decide. Is it worth saving or not? Let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna take a look at it, get some measurements, and we'll get going. Hey folks, thanks for stopping by. Hey, we got this old shooting house out here. I want to see if it's worth saving or not. So, as I mentioned in the intro, be sure to leave us a comment where you think we can save it or not. Let me turn the camera around and show you a little bit about it here. You see you got a little tin wrapped around the bottom. It's pretty sturdy. So I'm thinking the bones are good. Just got to clean it up a little bit. So we're gonna get some measurements here, and I got some old scrap tin and lumber laying around the house. Gonna need a roof. And might have just enough to get this thing closed back in, get a flow in it. So right there, you'd be disappointed. You stepped up off that ladder right there, hit that flow. All right, let me start getting some measurements here. Well, I was putting the ladder up. Looks like we got a little cedar tree right there. Could be a Christmas tree. Gotta be careful around that thing, not to knock it over. All right, didn't have a good place to place the camera, but I'm gonna climb up here on the ladder and get a few measurements. I'm gonna start with the side. That one's gonna be about 67 inches from top to bottom of the floor on that one. Let's see what the sides are. Exactly 4 foot. Man, I bet I got some 4 foot stuff I can fix that with. All right, I'm gonna climb up here and see if I can get the roof. You know that step says this is not a step. I'm fixing to make it a step. All right, the roof is 52 inches that way. I can stay out of the trees and the vine. Gonna be about, looks like about 52 inches that way. So the roof is 52 by 52. And the floor if I measured it right, well, I'm gonna have to put the flooring in it. That was 4 foot that way, and 4 foot that way. Well, doggone it. They had that squared up. The roof is a little bit bigger because you gotta take into account the 4x4 post. So I think about 3 pieces of tin will cover that roof. And then I got some tin and some boards I can put around the sides. I got some decking where we put in a new deck. The left I make the floor out of. So I don't know what y'all think, but I think I'm gonna see if I can do something with this old deer stand here. Get it closed in, put a chair in there. Maybe get one of them little buddy heaters, stay in there, keep you warm. That'll be the bee's knees. Well, other than a little repair on it, clean out some trees and limbs growing up in it. Check for some old rotten wood, which I see a good bit up there. But like I mentioned earlier, the bones are good. See? I'm gonna have to get some new steps and probably a new runner on one side of the step. Man, my side's gonna have to have extra bracing on them steps. But yeah, I think it's repairable. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hey, appreciate y'all watching. If you hadn't subscribed to the channel yet, we'd greatly appreciate it if you consider doing that. And be sure to hit that thumbs up down there if you liked the video. And remember to leave us a comment there. And as we say when planning our next new adventure, why not go see if we can fix an old deer stand? With a Christmas tree right beside it.